Let's pick 4 return customers from Massachusetts. I'm very excited that she could come back since her first order in our shop last month, even though the checking out last time failed for some reason. As a pretty new shop, we are so happy that we already have several return customers. Thank you so much, guys. The first set she picked is Morning in the Garden, which is a new arrival in our shop but has already been ordered by many customers. The second one is Mona's Garden, very artistic and pretty. I like it so much. The third one is our Pink Pretty Flower Set. So which flower set do you guys like best? We also have some surprise small gifts for every customer. Hope this sweetie will like these cute things. I also wrote a different letter for every customer. The sealing wax is so fun to play with, but to be honest, it smells bad when melting. All nails are kept in boxes and well wrapped to prevent hurting during shipping. Not every package will be filmed, so if you want to see your order packed, please contact me to let me know after you place an order. Hope our cute creation could bring everyone a smile.